Let's check the news from AWS. AWS Compute Optimizer now identifies idle EC2 auto-scaling groups using G and P instance types, enabling organizations to identify additional savings opportunities in their AWS spend. This feature is particularly relevant for organizations that are creating more auto-scaling groups with G and P instance types for training and inference workloads. AWS Compute Optimizer analyzes utilization data from the NVIDIA CloudWatch agent to identify groups that have completed jobs and remained idle during a specified look-back period, making it easier to identify and prevent waste on these high-cost instance types. Amazon S3 extends additional context for HTTP 403 access denied error messages to AWS organizations by providing the type of policy that denied access, the reason for denial, and information on the AWS identity and access management user or role that requested access to the resource. This enhanced context helps troubleshoot access issues, identify the root cause of access denied errors, and fix incorrect access controls by updating relevant policies. The additional context includes the type of policy that denied access, which enables organizations to determine whether the issue is related to a bucket policy, object-level permissions, or other S3 resource-based permissions. The reason for denial provides insight into why access was denied, such as missing permissions or invalid credentials. Information on the AWS identity and access management user or role that requested access to the resource helps identify the source of the access request and potential issues with IAM roles or users. This enhanced context is available in both HTTP 403 access denied error messages for requests made to resources within the same AWS organization and in AWS CloudTrail logs. Amazon RDS for MySQL announces Innovation Release 9.3 in Amazon RDS Database Preview environment, providing customers with the opportunity to evaluate the latest community-driven MySQL release on a fully managed database service. The innovation release includes bug fixes, security patches, and new features, which are supported by the community until the next innovation minor. In contrast, MySQL long-term support releases, such as MySQL 8.0 and MySQL 8.4, receive support for up to 8 years from the community. Amazon RDS Database Preview environment supports both single AZ and multi-AZ deployments on the latest generation of instance classes, allowing customers to choose the deployment strategy that best meets their needs. Additionally, database instances in the preview environment are retained for a maximum of 60 days and are automatically deleted after the retention period has expired. It's important to note that Amazon RDS Database Preview environment database snapshots can only be used to create or restore database instances within the preview environment and cannot be used to create production-ready databases. The pricing for database instances in the preview environment is the same as production RDS instances created in the U.S. East region, providing customers with a cost-effective way to evaluate the latest innovation release. AWS Network Firewall now supports native integration with AWS Transit Gateway for simplified deployment and management of network security across your global AWS infrastructure. This integration simplifies connecting AWS Network Firewall and AWS Transit Gateway, providing centralized security control without complex VPC configurations. You can configure one or multiple availability zones for high availability, maintaining traffic flow within the same AZ. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.